Welcome to Backyard Blooms. In today's video, we're going to work on Bonnie, which is my neighbor here. Say hi, Bonnie.
Hello.
We're going to work on her side garden back here. We're going to try the no-dig method in this area. And what I mean by no-dig method is that we're not going to pull up the sod that's behind us. So we are still going to plant these junipers that are behind us because she's going to try to get these as ground cover so she doesn't have to mow this area whatsoever. And these junipers that are behind us is called Blue Pacific Juniper. Here's the plant tag right here. They take full sun and they only grow about 1 foot tall and they can get 7 feet wide. So she's got 5, right, Bonnie?
Yes.
5, and we're going to get 3 more to cover this area back here. So what we plan on doing today, she scalped this area behind me with a trimmer, and then we're going to plant these junipers today. We're going to lay down some cardboard, and then behind us right here, the soil on top of the cardboard, and then on top of the soil, we're going to put cardboard, soil, and then we're going to put some mulch. And hopefully we will kill this sod behind us and we won't have to dig all this sod up. So other than the junipers, we're going to put a whole row of junipers, and then we're going to put some sedum, but she hasn't ordered the sedum, so she's going to get that soon. But we're going to get to planting. So Bonnie was hard at work today and she got half of this side yard done. So here's the junipers all planted. The cardboard is underneath the mulch, as you can see here. Compost on top of the cardboard, and we stapled these cardboards down into the ground so they won't move. And then a thick layer of mulch on top. And then hopefully none of the sod will go through this area and it'll be a beautiful little side yard. So this hill is halfway done, and we're doing the no-dig method here so we don't have to pull up sod. So we scalped the grass up here, laid down heavy cardboard on top, wet it down, put some good compost on top, as you can see here. And then we mulched on top. So I would suggest about a 2-inch layer of mulch so the sod underneath here won't get any kind of light. You can see that juniper there, really pretty juniper. And as these junipers grow and the roots spread out, that's going to help erosion on this fence as well. And then she's got another plant here. It's called a sedum, and this sedum is a proven winter sedum. It's called Rock and Grow Lemon Jade. Love that name and love this plant. So this is a perennial, and hopefully this will divide and grow as well. And this plant can be neglected also in this hard clay that we have here. So it doesn't take a lot of water, doesn't take a lot of fertilizer, and I think this plant will be great on her side slope here as well. So we already have tubing along the house here, so we can just plug into it. This is a 1/2 inch black tubing that does not drip. So you poke a hole into the dripper and then add a coupler, which is right there, and then you place it until you hear it snap, till it's secure and snugged. And then you're going to run your 1/4 inch tubing down to the plant, and then we're going to add a dripper on the end. This is a 1-gallon dripper. So you just securely wiggle that in until it's tight. And then you remove the mulch and hide your 1/4 inch tubing underneath the mulch.
Right. Okay.
And then you're going to secure it in place with a landscape stapler, as you see that I do here. So you might need a mallet if the ground underneath is really hard, which ours is right now because we didn't get a lot of rain. So we're going to use a mallet to staple this staple in and hold this tubing in place. And these plants should be super happy and get continuous water.
Minutes away. Are we done, Dave?